Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Ethan Server. Today this will be a tutorial for guitar. This is first time I just went to class to do this. Let's see if we can do it. So if you're thinking like that's not how you do it, you need E minor, A minor, and C and E minor. So there's 2 E minors. So you both have to do it. So let's get into the video. We just need to get the papers and everything. So first we're gonna start with E minor. You have to do this. You have to put it at fret 2. You see these lines right here. Put it at fret 2. There's the tutorial paper right there. So this is fret 1, and inside of this would be fret 2. So you have to go in this because this would be temporarily 2. So you have to put your hand right there. So E minor, you need to firstly put one in your 2 hand, and then put this in, and then remove everything else like a coyote, and then accept that in, and then get your pick and get started. And now we're gonna change to A minor. So it's a little bit different. You just have to get out of keys, and you have to stay in fret 2. Oh my god. This will take forever if you're beginner right now. I'm a beginner and I'm trying to teach for you guys. So A minor, you need to have this. You need to put this really straight. If you put it a little bit right, it would not work. And get our pick and get started for A minor. If it does not sound like this would be different for your guitar. Well, we will talk about that later in this video. So. And now we're gonna switch to C. So third, which would be this one, we need to put this at fret. If I'm calculating it, you need to put this at fret a little bit in the 3, but it's not gonna be in the 3. So it would be right here, and then if you do like this, that's not how you do it. Like if you're bending, you have to put it really straight, and you have to touch it really hard. So we're not going to do the coyote symbol anymore. You have to put your pointer finger. You have to put this straight, or else it will not do well. You have to put it right there at 2nd string, and
middle finger on
you can't bend
middle
it.
Finger on a 2nd.
So touch it really hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Middle finger on a 3rd string. You get.
Okay. So that means you need to push really hard on the string, and then take your pick, and let's get on. Something.
Yeah.
Change to E minor, which we did this. So okay, and then so this is our tutorial, and this is our paper and everything. Oh, I'm sorry. First, this looks like our guitar for E minor, and then we're gonna change into A minor, and then C, and then E minor. So both these things are
arrows represent
each
swings, like what you showed on.
So that means like every string of.
Yeah, you're gonna read it.
The fret, like when you do the second part, it will show the arrows, and then you have to use the fret.
Show
Probably
means you gotta do 4 times.
Yeah, 4 times.
4 arrow means 4 times.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that makes a lot more sense because 4 times and then so thanks for watching our videos. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, comment down
Every
below.
week you're gonna have a new video of this class.
Yeah, we're gonna have a video of the class that would be in the link in the description for now. So thanks for watching and hit that like button and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one. Bye, everybody.